Welcome to Feeler. Presenting VUX 400, 4 and 5-axis vertical machining center for machining special angles and complex multi-curved workpieces. The intelligent monitoring system helps to increase productivity in real time. One-piece spindle head and 4 and 5-axis rotary table enables versatile machining. High-precision roller-type guide ways in the X and Y and Z axes to ensure accuracy. Enhanced chip removal, 24 tool changer, and 12,000 revolutions per minute spindle optimize performance. Workpiece clamping positioning at one time. Feeler uses temperature compensation to control thermal errors and ensures impressive accuracy of less than 0.02 mm. The machine uses Renishaw XR20W laser inspection and CMM for workpiece measurement. The VUX 400 promotes environmentally friendly practices, enables analysis, low carbon production, and improves operation. Thanks for watching. VUX 400 stands for precision, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. Elevate your machining with VUX 400 today. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us or visit our website.